Hello and welcome back. In this episode, we will talk about what is the most asymmetrical problems for a new Scrum Master. We are going to be talking about the most asymmetrical problem for the new Scrum Master and how to overcome them in just a second. But first, let me share why Scrum Masters are a vital part of many organizations, okay? Because they play a critical role in guiding teams through the Scrum process. And Scrum is designed to help teams work together more effectively and deliver products and services faster and with higher quality. Now, if you follow my work, then you already know that Scrum Masters serve as the facilitator of the Scrum process, helping teams to follow the framework and ensuring that they adhere to the principles of Scrum. They also act as coaches for the team, helping them to identify and address any issues or challenges that arise. But not only that, Scrum Master also work to remove any obstacles that may impede the progress of the team and help to ensure that the team is working towards the goal of delivering value to the customer. They also help to create a culture of continuous improvement within the team, which helps team to become more effective and efficient over time. Another important aspect of the Scrum Master role is acting as a liaison between developers and stakeholders. They help to ensure that the stakeholders understand the progress of the project and that the developers understand the stakeholders' needs. And now, it is time for the most asymmetrical problems for the new Scrum Master. Now, I believe that one of the most asymmetrical problems for new Scrum Master is balancing the role of a servant leader and enforcer of the Scrum principles. Because as a servant leader, the Scrum Master is responsible for facilitating the team's progress and removing obstacles, right? But they must also ensure that the team is following Scrum's defined process and practices. And this can be challenging, because as a Scrum Master must be able to effectively lead the team while also holding them accountable to the framework, right? And now, let me share one more asymmetrical problem, and after that, I will share a combined solution, okay? Now, I believe the Scrum Master may also have trouble getting team members to buy in and follow the process because people don't like the change. And as a Scrum Master, it's your role to educate, coach, and facilitate the team to follow the Scrum process. But it takes time and patience to make this happen. Now, from my experience, I want to share 9 practices for Scrum Master in resolving these 2 problems. Now, let's start with the first one. And I believe the first one is clearly communicate the benefits of Scrum, such as increased transparency, better collaboration, faster delivery of value to the team. And this will help them understand why the Scrum framework is important and how it can benefit them. Second one, provide training and education on Scrum practices and principles to the team, and even to the stakeholders, because this will help them understand the framework and how to work within it. Number 3, act as a coach for the team, helping them to identify and address any issues or challenges that arise. This will help build a culture of continuous improvement within the team. Next one, encourage collaboration among the team members and build a culture of trust. This will help the team understand the importance of working together effectively. Next one, empower the team to take ownership of the process and make decisions about how to best implement Scrum. This will help create a sense of ownership and commitment among the team members. And celebrate the team's success and progress. This will help the team members feel valued and motivated to continue working together. Next one, Provide regular feedback to the team on their progress and how they are implementing Scrum. And this will help them understand why they are doing well and where they need to improve. Now listen, lead by example in the terms of transparency and openness. And that will create a culture of trust and respect. And the team members will be more willing to follow the process. And finally, be patient and understand that such changes takes time. It takes time for the team to understand and adapt to a new process, and be persistent in your efforts to educate and coach the team through the process. And that's it. I hope these practices will help you in your role. If you find something else that needs to be added to this list, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching or listening. Goodbye.
Oh, no, no, no.